Incoming device is at LG Aristo 2, black in color. Rear camera lens not appear to crack. The home button, volume buttons appear to be giving smooth feedback. Go and test the cameras. Not able to test the cameras due to there being a password lock on the device. Go and test 6-point random digitizer test. Does pass 6-point random digitizer test, even though there is a crack in the upper right hand and lower left hand corner spidering out in the center of the device. Let's see if the double tap feature works. Double tap feature is working on this device. It's at 30%. It's a Metro PCS device. Go ahead and take an incoming charge current of 1.0 amperes as well, but we'll go ahead and pop the battery on this device to see the exact model number. Model number is LMX210MA. We'll go ahead and take a look at parts cost and distribute it to the customer.